February 4, 2026. Weeks of relentless, heavy snowfall have claimed at least 35 lives and injured nearly 400 people across northern and central Japan, 126 of whom were seriously injured. Most of the deaths occurred when residents fell while attempting to clear snow from roofs and homes or suffered sudden heart attacks triggered by the extreme conditions. Niigata Prefecture has been hit hardest, reporting the highest number of fatalities, while the worst affected areas saw snowfall reaching up to 2 meters, 6.5 feet. Authorities warn that more severe weather is expected this weekend, raising fears of avalanches and other risks as melting snow destabilizes slopes and structures. One 91-year-old woman was found buried under 3 meters of snow, and others perished from overexertion or sudden illness in temperatures as low as -23 degrees Celsius (-9.4 degrees Fahrenheit). The extreme weather has buried homes, disrupted transportation, and prompted the deployment of troops for snow-clearing operations. Officials warn that more risks are likely as more snow is forecast.